To secure your home, the way I will start is right from the door. And how we're going to do that? By installing a smart doorbell with camera. Now this one has a dual audio, IP65 waterproof, 6,400 milliamp hour batteries, so it lasts you up to 3 months, and even comes with 32 gigabyte micro SD card and much more right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. All right, so like I said in the beginning, we got this great camera. Remember, IP65 waterproof 1080. Very important. This is a 1080 in night vision. Is motion sensor as well too. So let's change camera and let me show you right now. All right, to save time, we took everything out of the box. All right, so what we get? We get the doorbell. Now we get the chime. What is nice about this, right? A lot of these doorbell cameras, right, will ring your phone, right? So if your phone is off, well, how do you know somebody's present here? You will not hear anything. Or if you have around the house, it's hard to hear. So it has the chime where you can plug it in. It will pair right with the doorbell. Now you can plug it anywhere at home. Now it comes with all the screw in items, right? And Allen key I show you what that's for. Small screwdriver. Now, micro SD USB adapter if you want to take the memory and play right on your computer. The instructions, micro USB cable, and how to pair the wireless doorbell chime. All right, now from the back, that's the way you charge it, and that's where you're going to reset it. Now the nice thing about this one too, you can use your all cables from the all bell system. Yeah, I think it's 12 volts, maybe up to like 24, 18 volts. So the way to do it is grab the old wires. This is the way you mount it, right? So you're gonna mount this and run the wall, right? And then you count with the cables through here, and then you're gonna screw it right there. Now it comes with the Allen key and 2 screws here. You're gonna put it from this side, and then just grab your wire, and this will power up your bell. So you don't need to change batteries or anything. So you just go this way, just imagine that, and you lock it. Now I'm sure you say, well, how about if somebody goes and take this out? Well, what you can do is, you see this screw here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna use this tiny screw here that comes with the Allen key. You just put it right over here and close, and it's done. That's it. Now, when you get this for the first time, it comes with 2 little plastics right there. So the battery is off. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open here, and that's the battery. And you gotta remove these 2 little plastic. By the way, here is the micro SD card. Right there. Now remember, when you get this the first time, you should charge it for a few hours and to get 100%. Or if you have, again, the hot wire connected here, you don't need to worry about it. Now, in this case here, it shows you how to pair, right? So you see volume control and forward, and you change it. There's different sounds. Now, there are 2 applications you can use to pair. Simple. iOS devices, Android. Just scan here and it's done. Or you can look for Tuya or a Smart Life. In Tuya Smart Life, in my case, I use a Smart Life. Why I like a Smart Life? Because you can control all the smart devices at home. Now, how are we going to pair this? Well, the first thing you need to do is download the application Tuya or Smart Life. We're already there, right? Now, these devices all support 2.4 gigahertz, not a 5 gigahertz device. So the way you do it, turn off data just only for the pair and switch 2.4 gigahertz. So the way to do it, I just go and I switch to 2.4. So I'm connected to my 2.4. Later on, I switch it back. All right. So when you start the Smart Life application of Tuya, it actually looks the same. We need to pair this up. So first, we're going to reset it. I'm going to open this again. We're going to hold this for maybe 10 seconds until we hear the reset. I'm holding it.
Factory setting.
And it goes blue. And it's going to start blinking red. I'm going to get another message in a second. Wait for the configuration. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go plus. Well, I'm going to look. Do not use the auto scan. I'm going to look for security and sensor. Smart camera. I click that. Performing a pair. Yes, it's flashing. So at this point now, I'm at 2.4 gigahertz. You had to put your password of your 2.4 gigahertz network. So that way the camera knows and the camera memorizes the password of your network. Centimeters. And it fits real fast. Okay. Yes, we got a message. It says begin to connect. That's the only thing you need to do. I hear the prompt. Already dead. Already connect. Done. Already getting a message from the camera. Alexa will recognize it as well too. So at this point, we need to set the front door, back door. You're going to change the name. I'm not going to change the name right now. I'm going to click done. We see the battery is 50%. And now you can see me nice and clear. So the nice thing now, the camera or the bell, right? It will send signal to my phone. So anytime I go there, I can just go and view or take a snapshot, right? If I get a message, you know, there's somebody's at door, so I can go there and check it. I can record right over here on my phone. I can take a picture. I can go cloud the storage. The speaker means you can listen to anyone who is close right to the bell. Or if somebody press the button, right, and you just want to listen to it, you just activate that and listen to any conversation. And the camera doesn't indicate anything here. Now, when somebody goes and press here, right, you get the message. And now what you got to do is either if you want to talk to the person, the way to do it is you press a speaker here. And now, see, and now I can talk to the person right there. I'm not available, you know, come on later on. It doesn't know if you are vacation Aruba or if you're home. They don't know that because this wouldn't let it know what you are. So let's make it simple, right? Or if you are in the office and you get a package delivery or anything, you can say come back after 5. I'm busy right now, or whatever will be the case, right? So make that simple. Now from here, by the pencil, right, the doorbell, the device information, IP address, all device information give it to you. It works with Alexa and as well with Google. Basic functions, we can put a watermark, we can play, and you see this blinking, we can just turn it off from here. That's kind of nice. It goes at night, people know that's the doorbell, but you can turn it off if you want. Night vision is automatic. You can turn it off and turn it on. Then you can apply the detection of the alarm settings, right? We can turn it on. Now remember the low, medium, and high, right? It's to set. So if you have a dog maybe in high, it will detect it. Maybe you don't want that, so you put it low, right? So I'm going to leave it off that way. And I'm going to turn off this as well. So now I get no messages. That will be also a good way. And only comes on when somebody actually presses the button. You can do that. Or you can use it like an alarm, right? Now from here, we can manage the power. It will let you know remaining battery is 50% and the threshold is 10%. Remember the battery, it will last up to 3 months, right? But you can always use the hot wire and you don't need to worry about that, right? So even if the power gets cut off, so it works anyway. You will not get any message in your phone because there's no longer Wi-Fi in that case, but you still get it and record it there. So, you know, offline notification you can turn on, you can share the device, and you can remove the device if you want. So as you see, it's a simple configuration. The way to pair this will control the volume. Okay, and here we change chimes. Press this button for 5 seconds. It's going to blink. And then we go here. You see now? And you see here, let me show you. I'm off. You see this what happened? I can answer the call. All right. Hello. Only takes a little bit to config. You have to remember when you do this first time, make sure there is 2.4 gigahertz available. Make sure you know the password because the camera needs to know the password. And when you set, you can set your phone back at 5 gigahertz. What I would recommend you to do is hardwire. So if you have the old wire already come in for the doorbell, take the doorbell there and just wire right into this device. Thank you.